The statutory NEC, we have met and deliberated on issues affecting the party and the way forward. I had the singular honor and privilege to call on the Secretary of the Board of Trustees, Comrade Salisu Mohammed, to brief the stakeholders and the press on the outcome of the meeting we had. Once again, let me appreciate you for your patience and for your attention and the solidarity you've extended to us. God bless you. We will not tell you take it or leave it. Therefore, for time constraints, we will entertain like 3 either contribution questions.
No contribution.
No, Chair.
Is the outcome.
At least 10 million membership, from where we will draw the leaders from wards up to the national. Yeah, 30 days within the 90 days.
Yes.
Registration for fresh members. However, we should note, we are starting from ground zero. Nobody will come and say, I was a chairman before, therefore I must be a chairman.
Opportunity to join the chairman in commending all of you, our dear party leaders, stakeholders, for the very discipline and patience you have exhibited. This is really, really remarkable. It has shown the standard stuff for which our party, is made, and you are all behind it. And I want to thank you once again for this. It is my honor and pleasure to also proceed to immediately abreast you with the very positive, and concrete decisions that have been taken by the meeting of the NEC, which all of you were privileged to witness. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to begin by reporting to you that following the opening prayers, which were offered by me, the Muslim prayer, and at the end of the meeting, we also had a Christian prayer that ended the meeting, and therefore divinely guided to come out with these decisions that I am now going to read as follows. The first deliberation was on the decision to appreciate and reaffirm confidence in the very good work that the National Caretaker Committee has undertaken, bringing the party up to this moment from the point of their inception. In full cognizance of the fact that more work is ahead of us, and given the need to build capacity and inculcate capability to do it within the targeted period, the NEC in session approved the expansion of the membership of the National Caretaker Committee. And in doing so, it immediately recommended that we should nominate 3 names to deputize for the chairperson. 3 deputies for the chairperson. Equally, the secretary will have 3 deputies that will deputize for him. This will bring the number to 8. And the main committee itself will be fully expanded by appropriate numbers that will enable all subcommittees and ad hoc committees to be created for the work ahead of them, which is not more than 90 days. Am I clear? Thank you very much. Within these 90 days, the NEC in session has given go-ahead for the commencement of mobilization drive that will be preceded by creation of membership forms, cards, and register that will be open throughout the federation in all formations of the party in all the wards to register membership and revalidate old names, because the party has to start from ground zero. And when this process commences, the whole country will see clearly that there is a new sheriff in town. The membership drive for convenience of exposition has been given maximum of 30 days from commencement to closure. This is because we cannot afford to dissipate energy on any other thing except when we actually achieve the target of bringing in the numbers that we have been given, and that NEC has approved that in the immediate terms, we want 10 million members to be registered within these 30 days. Again, in appreciation of the work of the committee and taking due, account of the need for timeliness, but more importantly, efficiency in the way we do things, we decided that since we are law-abiding, we are not going to the idea of, taking over the secretariat of the party in a manner that we may foul the law or whatever. Our records are well known, and what we have decided and the NEC has approved is that a new operational office will be given immediately for the commencement. So the committee will be working in a very, very conducive environment for them to discharge this onerous responsibility that we are putting on their head. Ladies and gentlemen, these are, in brief, the decisions that I have been asked to read for all of you to reaffirm and to hear and make amendments if you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
For the membership drive.
Before we start congresses,
We have